Your haircare is on 21, on 21, 20, 20, on 20. Hello everyone, welcome back to 21 Trim Haircare Studio with me, Mara. On today's session of the Haircare Studio, what we are going to talk about is how to hold a clipper and a trimmer. Let's go! Before we use a clipper or a trimmer, we need to apply our clipper side or our underscore care, which we know the essence of this. It is not onto only the blade, it is onto all the parts of the clipper. And we do the same too for the trimmer. So one thing that we need to do on how to hold a clipper and a trimmer is we always need to hold it firmly. You always need to hold your clipper or your trimmer firmly. Please take note, if you go to any barbering shop where there is no sterilizer and there's nothing like this, please run away. Thank you. These are my words. For your health sake, this clipper is a Wow Magic cordless. So we can see that there is something here. Consider this. Where is it? So that's where you hold. So those are the places that you hold it. So this is how you hold it. When we check this part too, there is some path here like that. It looks like a thumb. This part looks like a thumb. And this place are where you can put your fingers there, like this, like that. So with your hands open like this, you just put it in there like so. So like this. Then you hold it. And use the thumb to close it. So it's very simple. Let me go again. The back is for your fingers without the thumb. The back is for your 4 or 3 fingers without the thumb. And the front is for the thumb. So this is how you hold it. The back for your fingers, this thing, the back for your fingers, and the front for your thumb. So this is how we hold it. And we use the thumb to regulate the lever. It's the thumb that we use to regulate the lever, not the other hand. So get it well. We use the thumb to regulate the lever. This is the lever, not the other hand. So this is how it goes. You need to hold like this. And then so use the thumb to send it down. And use the thumb to bring it up. Use the thumb to bring it down. Use the thumb to bring it up. So it's the thumb that we use to regulate the lever. So it's the same time. So we use this thumb. We actually use this thumb to regulate the lever and the power as well. We use this thumb, the one that will come to cover or hold the top. That's what we use to regulate the lever and the power. This is the power button. So go again. Okay, so let's go to trimmer. So a trimmer like Andy Slimline Pro is also having something here that it enters so that you can put your hands there. So this bag on the clipper, our hand is for the back, where our thumb is for the top or the front. But with the trimmer, the difference is vice versa of the clipper. So this is how trimmer is always supposed to be hold. So rather our thumb be here at the back, our thumb to be at the back, and our 4 fingers at the front. So we go like this, pin, 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 pin. When you turn it like this, it holds like this. The thumb will always be at the back, then it hits like. So the difference here is, whilst with the clipper, our 4 fingers are at the back and our thumb is on top, where the thumb regulates the lever and the power button. But with the trimmer, our thumb is rather at the back, where our 4 fingers at the front. So here it goes. This is when you are doing line up. You hit, 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 hit. That's when you hit like that. You hit the side, side, side. And whenever you change your hand, you use the same thing, just like this. That's how you hold it. And you hit, you hit, hit, you hit. So that's the difference between how to hold a clipper and a trimmer. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post all notifications to get more updates on the barbering tutorials. Subscribe, share, comment on the section below. One Trim, your authentic and trusted hair care brand.